After testing dozens of product insert card strategies across multiple brands, I realized something surprising. The cards that look the most professional often perform the worst. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact product insert card system that I use today, one that consistently drives more reviews, filters negative feedback, and turns Amazon customers into long-term brand assets. Be honest for a second. Does your product insert card look like this? Thank you for your purchase, please leave a review, or maybe some info about your business like you see here? Now let me guess, you're barely getting any reviews. That's because this insert card strategy doesn't work anymore. I know because I tried it. And guess what? Your customers do the exact same thing you do with these cards. They might take a glance at it, but then they ultimately toss it straight into the trash. So in this video, I'm going to show you a much smarter insert card strategy that I've personally been using for years. This strategy does three things. It gets you significantly more Amazon reviews, it helps protect your listing from bad reviews, and it allows you to build your own email list of your customers for retargeting and future launches. And the best part? It only requires one small change to your insert card. And real quick, if you want to see more videos like this that actually show you what works right now, smash the like button. It really helps the channel out more than you know, and it helps this video reach more sellers. Now, take a look at this. These are my insert cards. Notice what's missing? There's no thank you for your purchase. There's nothing about asking for a review or some emotional story about my small business. You need to understand that your customers don't care about that. The goal of an insert card is not to be polite. The one single goal is to get attention and trigger an action. And that's exactly where most insert cards fail. As you can see, the call to action on my card is crystal clear. Scan this QR code to get a free $5 gift card. That's it. No confusion, no fluff. Now ask yourself, wouldn't you want to claim this offer? It literally tells you that you're going to get free money. And who wouldn't want that? And here's a pro tip. I print this message on both sides of the insert card. That way, no matter how it's placed in the packaging or if it gets fumbled around while unboxing, the customer can't miss it. And because the value proposition is so obvious, the likelihood of the customer scanning the QR code is extremely high. Now, here's where this strategy really becomes powerful. What happens after they scan the QR code? To claim their free offer, whether that's a gift card like this $5 Amazon gift card, a discount code like a 20% off their next order, a free bonus item, an extended warranty, an ebook, or anything else you'd like to offer your customers, once they scan the QR code, they're taken directly straight into your own customized lead funnel. But what makes this funnel truly different is that it's smart. It collects product feedback in a very specific way that helps prevent bad reviews from ever being posted on your product listing. Let me show you exactly how it works in 3 simple steps. On the first step here, your customer selects the product they purchased, where they purchased it from, such as on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, Shopify, or even your own web store, and the order number here. This information allows you to verify their order. Then they're asked to rate their experience by choosing one of these options here. For example, very satisfied. Their choice here is very important, so remember that. I'll talk more about this in the next few steps. Okay, and on step 2, the funnel collects the customer's contact details. This information is needed to deliver your offer to your customer. But more importantly, this is how you build your own customer list, something Amazon doesn't give you access to. By building an email list, you can use it to retarget customers, launch new products, create custom advertising audiences, and build long-term brand equity. Now, on the final step, the customer is asked to write their product feedback. And this is where all the magic happens. Notice that there's a section here that says, please share your experience. When your customer clicks on the button, their written feedback is automatically copied to their clipboard. Then they're automatically redirected straight to your product review page, as you can see here. So all they have to do is paste their feedback here and submit it. It's really that easy. Now here's what makes this a smart funnel. Remember back on step 1 when they rated their experience? If the customer did not say that they were very satisfied, for example, they selected neither satisfied nor dissatisfied, then back on step 3, this final step is completely different. Notice now the share your experience section is completely gone. There's no button, there's no redirect, no chance for a negative review to be posted publicly. They can still write their feedback, but it's saved only for your own internal use. This gives you the opportunity to reach out, fix the issue, and improve your customer's experience without damaging your listing. This way, only positive experiences are routed to your product listing. How powerful is that? Now, some platforms such as Amazon don't allow sellers to only direct positive reviews to their product listings. So if you aren't comfortable with that, you can disable this smart funnel feature. So as you can see, with this one strategy, you get more reviews, you reduce bad reviews, and you get to build your own email list, something that's even more valuable for your business in the long term. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, you're probably thinking, this is exactly what I need, but how do I set this up? Well, here's the good news. You don't need a website. You don't need to write any code. You don't even need a developer. I've developed a tool that does all of this for you. Head on over to reviewscango.com. And in just 4 simple steps, you can create your own smart funnel with your own unique QR code. Simply choose what type of offer you want to provide to your customers, such as a gift card, coupon code, bonus product, extended warranty, or digital asset. Or if you don't want to offer anything at all, you don't have to. You can set up your funnel to collect product reviews only. And ReviewScan Go automatically generates a unique QR code for you that you can download and print onto your insert cards. Now, before you ask, yes, ReviewScan Go is 100% Amazon compliant. Your customers are never required to leave you a review. You're not trading your customers anything for their review, and your customers are never incentivized to leave only positive feedback, which are the most important rules to follow in Amazon's review policy. And managing your customers' claims is also extremely simple. Inside your claims dashboard, you can see your total redemptions, claim stats, customer details, their feedback, and whether each claim has been processed or not. You can even export all the customer data as a CSV file so that you can directly import them into your own email campaigns and marketing tools. Clicking on a customer shows you their contact information, their claims history, whether they're a repeat customer, their review they wrote, and even whether or not they clicked on the share button. You can also see the claim status here. If it hasn't been processed yet, it will show you the gift hasn't been delivered. Once you've verified the order ID, you can send the gift with one click. In this case, it's a coupon code for 20% off their next order. You can see the code that was emailed to them here. The system automatically marks the claim as processed, and if you ever need to undo it, you can unprocess and resend. If the promotion is a digital download like an ebook or warranty, the digital asset is emailed automatically when processed. If it's a physical product or a physical gift card, you'll see the customer's mailing address so you can ship the item and mark it as processed. Now, getting started is extremely easy. The first thing you need to do is add your products. Head on over to the products page and click on the new product button. Enter the product name. Upload the product image. And if you're selling on Amazon, enter the ASIN here. If you're selling on other platforms, you can also enter the item number or listing IDs here. Now, make sure you enter these correctly because these IDs are how the system knows where to send your customers to share their feedback. And once you've added your products, go ahead and create your first promotion. Give the promotion a name. Then choose what you want to offer your customers. You can choose from gift cards, discount codes, free products, or digital downloads like an ebook or warranty. For example, if we choose discount code, then down here in the code type, choose what you want to offer. The same code for everyone, or unique single-use codes per customer. And depending on the promotion type, you can choose different delivery options and approval methods. For example, you can have the system automatically deliver the coupon code to your customer as soon as they complete your funnel without verification. Or you can choose to manually approve, where you can verify the order before emailing the coupon code. And for obvious reasons, for physical products, you cannot choose the automatically deliver option because you have to physically mail them. Now, once you've added at least one product and created a promotion, you can create your first campaign. Campaigns link a promotion with the products that you want to offer the promotion to. So click on the Create New Campaign button, give the campaign a name, choose whether you want to offer a promotion or collect reviews only. This can't be changed later. Link the promotion. If you've created several, you can choose the promotion you want from the list. Select the products you want the promotion to apply to. Choose the marketplaces you're selling the products in. Select the campaign options, such as the default language. Add your personalized branding, such as your brand logo, brand name, and website URL, and colors to personalize your funnel. Then click Create Campaign. And that's it. The system will generate a unique, permanent QR code for each campaign. You can view the QR code that was generated by clicking on the QR code icon here. Keep in mind, this QR code never changes, even if you update the campaign settings or options. This way, you never have to reprint your insert cards. Now, before going live, you can also preview exactly what your customers will see by clicking on the Funnel Preview button here. You can also download the QR code here so that you can have it printed on your insert cards. And if you set the campaign status to active, the QR code is now scannable and you can start using the QR code and funnel right away. ReviewScan Go has a free trial, so you can go ahead and create your first campaign today and test it out for yourself. I'll leave a link down in the video description below. And if you want to learn even more ways to get reviews, especially during a product launch, check out this video next.